Take a ride in the 2024 Ridgeline. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.